Golden sunlight spread across the cornfield, the tall stalks rising above head height. Bear stopped in front of a tall corn plant. His waddling steps carried him toward the tractor, where he poured the corn into its cargo bed.
Okie dokie.
The tractor gave a light bounce and blinked in agreement. Its wheels turned, and the whole vehicle moved forward. The tractor backed into the barn, lifted its cargo bed, and the corn poured out. Bear gripped the base of the cornstalk tightly with both hands. He planted his feet firmly and leaned his body backward. The rows of corn stretched out in straight lines across the field. Suddenly, a dark cloud rolled in, swallowing the sunlight.
Oh my God!
Bear pulled out his watch. His thumb pressed firmly on the PTT button.
Your headquarters, come in. I found the biggest patch of blueberries ever. Over.
Clamshell approached, and Bear raised his hand to signal.
Hi there, Clamshell truck. Wow, it is great to see you today. Are you ready to get started?
Okay.
Bear and Clamshell moved into the cornfield, gathered the stalks, and set them aside. The tractor backed in, and Clamshell used its arm to scoop up the rows of corn and load them into the cargo bed.
Morning, Mr. Excavator. It's a beautiful day for building, isn't it?
Okay.
The tractor, its cargo bed, moved toward the barn. The tractor backed in, tilted its cargo bed, and the rows of corn slid down. In the end, Bear, the tractor, and Clamshell celebrated together.
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to the farm.